In this short video, I'll show you how to add number rows above the alphabet on the iPhone keyboard. Many iPhone users find it frustrating that the default keyboard does not have a built-in option for a dedicated number row. However, there's a simple workaround that makes typing numbers much quicker and easier. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users with keyboard customization, including solving issues like the lack of a number row. Together, we're going to explore how to fix this problem using a third-party keyboard app. Now, let's get started on how to add numbers to the iPhone keyboard. To begin, head over to the App Store and search for a third-party keyboard app like Luxury Keyboards. Download and install the app. Go to Settings, then select General. Next, tap Keyboard, followed by Keyboards. After that, select Add New Keyboard to enable the new keyboard. Then select the Luxury Gold keyboard you just downloaded. Long press the globe icon to switch to the newly added keyboard. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with getting an iPhone keyboard with numbers and symbols. Most third-party keyboards, including this one, offer customization options. You can access these by opening the app and navigating to the settings where you can customize the appearance, themes, and even key sounds to match your preferences. Feel free to explore these features to personalize your keyboard even further. Let's demonstrate the keyboard in action. As you can see, the number row sits conveniently above the alphabet keys, allowing you to type numbers and letters effortlessly. This makes tasks like entering passwords or phone numbers much quicker and more efficient. If you ever want to switch back to the default iPhone keyboard, simply long press the globe icon and select the default keyboard from the list. Keep in mind that some third-party keyboards may lack certain features, like word suggestions in specific apps, so switching back might be useful depending on your needs. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of having a number row above the alphabet. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.